Friends, myself Ajay Eknath Chowdhury, and I have done my BE in Mechanical Engineering. Today's date is 18 December 2021, and today's topic is abstraction and encapsulation. So, what is abstraction and encapsulation? First, we discuss abstraction versus encapsulation. Java is an object-oriented program language, and it follows OOPS concept. The OOPS concept includes classes, object, polymorphism, inheritance. There are two other features of OOPS, that is abstraction and encapsulation. They both seems very similar, but totally different in concept and implementation. The major difference between abstraction and encapsulation is that abstraction hides the code complexity, while encapsulation hides the internally working from the outside world. In this session, we will discuss abstraction and encapsulation and the difference between abstraction and encapsulation in Java. It is an feature of OOPS. It is used to hide unnecessary information or data from the user, but shows the essential data that is useful for the users. It can achieved by using the interface and abstract classes. In interface, only the method are exposed to the end users. The best example of abstraction is an TV remote. The user only interact with the outer interface, that is nothing but keys. The user only knows which keys to press for what function. Encapsulation, so second one is encapsulation. It is also a feature of OOPS. It is used to bind up the data into a single unit called class. It provides the mechanism which is used known as data hiding. It is an important feature of OOPS. It prevents to access data members from the outside of the class. It is also necessary from the security point of view. Abstraction and encapsulation, where it is an where they both are the features of of OOPS that hides the unnecessary details but shows the essential information. Encapsulation are also same that it can hide code and data into a single entity or unit so that the data can be protected from the outside world. It also it solves an issue that is design level. Encapsulation solves issue at implementation level. It focuses on the external lookout. It focuses on the internal working. It can implement using abstraction classes. It can be implemented by using the access modifier, that is private, public, protected. It is a process of gaining information. It is the process of containing the information. In abstraction, we will use abstract classes and interfaces to hide the complex code. We use the getter and setter methods to hide the data. The object are encapsulated, that helps to perform abstraction. The object need not to abstract the result in encapsulation. Java is an object oriented language that is enables us to origin our program into similar logics units known as object, and offers abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. So OOPS is a methodology by which one can design and program by implementing classes and their objects. So what is abstraction now? Abstraction classes. What is abstraction classes? And abstraction classes is the classes that deals with the abstraction of our program. So the question arises, what is abstraction? Is it is in general terms, abstraction is that features of object oriented programming that shows only essential information and hides unnecessary informations. The foremost purpose of abstraction is hide the necessary details from the users. Abstraction is selecting data from that beneficial and relevant from the for the users from the much bigger pool of information. In object oriented program, through abstraction, the programmers tries to ensure that only functionality is provided to the users. All its implementation and other extraneous aspects are kept hidden to reduce the complexity and increase the program efficiencies. As well as we seen about encapsulation, the encapsulation is also the code which is useful for the ops to design the programmers. As we all are related to encapsulations and abstraction, they both are implementing the program and provides the necessary process to other compiler and other protected activities such as protected public classes, etc. So thank you for watching my video.